Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Kevin from Hapayu Unboxings and Reviews, and today we're going to be unboxing the Levoit Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier. We purchased this from Amazon, and it was delivered exactly as how you see it here without any additional boxes, so that's pretty cool. So let's take a look and see what we have inside. Alright, let's open this thing up. Your instruction manuals, warranty information, and it looks like the remote. That's it for the box. Alright, let's take a look in here first. This is warranty and customer support information. Guessing this is a cleaning brush. This looks like fabric pads for the bottom. User manual. More felt pads. And remote with battery included. Just need to pull this tab out. Let's take a look at the humidifier now. Your various buttons, your display screen, this black dot maybe is a sensor, you have your actual water container. Oh no! You take a look at the inside. And this is directional, so you can point it where you want it to go. And there's actually two different nozzles that can be pointed in different directions. There's one small one right here, and a big one right here. So there you go everyone, there's the Levoit Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to click the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more unboxing videos of our various purchases. Thanks for watching everyone, and take care.